You see what I write here? I say,
bro,
so
let me tell you something.
Deceiving Edo people.
Our culture is being attacked. And the only way we can get our culture back, let everybody protect ourselves. When we protect ourselves and we now get our culture back, our culture is already...
Okay, sir, please, how can we protect ourselves?
No, I said my experience about it. But
no, just ask you a question. How can we protect ourselves?
That is what we're... Okay, now how can we protect our culture?
No, you just say, how can we protect our culture?
Bro,
Is by
when
coming
we protect
out.
ourselves,
See, let me tell you how to protect our culture. Let me tell you how to protect our culture. Is to come in out and be debunking the useless lies people are talking down on our culture, so that the people that they are brainwashed, we can somehow revive them. We can somehow revive them back, because this media, so many people are being brainwashed by media. There are so many people that have known Yoruba before. Because of our bad narrative, many people have turned to Yoruba. They are turned to Yoruba. Even some are in secret. Some are in secret doing worse than those ones that is in social media. There are so many Yoruba who is in secret pumping how to destroy the culture. There are some who is pumping and sponsoring people destroying our culture. So we can never stand on that area.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you very much. I get your
our culture. Where my father is a chief, I will come out. I will be the people will demarketing my culture. Me a Benin man. Okay. I will use everything to fight on my culture.
These are the misunderstanding we are having, that we said we should protect people. We should protect everybody.
Okay, we should protect people. Look at what Abba said.
You wait now. Before then, let me just speak. No, listen. Without the people, there's no Oba. Without everybody, without me and you, there's no Oba. You understand? First of all, let's protect ourselves. By the time we protect ourselves,
Don't Prince. Wema wo we chief eruwe himba.
Yeah.
Wema dame minimudiagata abi we boso.
What is he saying?
Listen, when I want here to allow. If you are talking about protecting of people, my guy.
Okay.
You can use any other example. Why are you people head bent on always measuring the Oba? Why the government? But you people are very quick to mention the Oba. But we can't tell away without the people. We can't get away without the people. There's no government. We can't get away without the people. There's no Oba. And though you are where we are ba, aye Oba, Oba ga dia saluboa. I don't know why you bring people. You want the chief working. People are coming out over the platform. Where go drop here.
No. This guy, he said he came from my area, Republic.
He came from your area, where to.
So no, as he come, I have to give him audience to speak.
Okay, Nyaro wetana.
But he has never insulted. He has never insulted anybody.
Thank you very much. Okay, now okay. It's like and now we want to protect everybody. You are not getting let us protect everybody.
No.
Protecting. No, we have to protect everybody.
Listen,
before the
there is a reason why there's a structure.
Get together. Mr. Priest, like it's like a man sometimes when you give me time to
be wise.
When I'm speaking, you are attacking.
It's man. I ain't una batty.
Worry. When I'm speaking, you have to
give her 3 minutes.
You are living with somebody.
Amen,
Ma
ma.
ko me o do mi ari ege nu da mo mi kekere.
Mo you give me 3 minutes.
Okay, Mr. Prince,
not
my
hear from my
good
boss.
friend, yeah,
I'll give you 3 minutes. Make
We
you
are
explain.
no matter we
If the time
you
is not there, if they said the time is not there, Mr.
No,
Prince,
no,
we
let her talk.
No,
No,
let
let
her
her
talk.
talk.
Let her talk.
You don't get it.
I'll give her 3 minutes.
We are here 3 minutes back, babe. 3 minutes.
Why are
this
we
your body. We are telling them.
Be wise. Don't worry. Be wise.
Be wise.
Be
Wait,
wise.
no,
Be
listen.
wise.
Oh,
Be
I
wise. Listen first.
you don't understand. You don't.
I know what you are saying.
You
All
understand
right.
the
Be wise.
concept.
Wait. Don't worry.
You have a
Just give
topic.
me 3
Somebody is
minutes to talk.
distracting you from your topic.
wise.
Why
Time
can't you
Time is
wait till
going.
you
Time is going. We are killing the time.
But it's disturbing. It does not have it
No,
does
listen,
not
you
have any
listen, be wise.
significant use here.
Be wise. Be calm down. Just calm down. Let me your explain. I know you are saying the right. So may it talk. So my brother, continue talking.
Okay, are you talking to me now?
Yeah, continue.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, my brothers. What I'm fighting for is like we as a human that live in that space. Please, first of all, let everybody get ourselves together. If we get ourselves together, then we can protect our kingdom. By the time we don't get ourselves together, our kingdom, they will take it away from us. If I are not end, why are we say wadomo?
Okay.
Before
you go, I'm gonna wait now. May I see ask question now.
That's it. Also, if you don't
else
ask
go,
question, I like to ask question when you throw with your question.
Before now, come here, I ask one question. Bros, you said we should unite ourselves. Why do you say where Obazee, but I not forget? You said you should work on human before we. How did you say it again?
Okay, I said we all that live in that territory, we should work on ourselves, protect ourselves, because before we talk about our kingdom, because we are all having problems.
Okay, please, how can we protect ourselves?
Thank you very much. We all should get ourselves together that we are all human, we were all born by man and woman, then we have a king. Then we start protecting the king. That is how to do it. To my own understanding.
So, my people, one by one, not Russian. Anybody want to ask a question? Want to ask a question? One by one, not Russian.
May I
ask a question? I beg.
Hold on, bro.
Allow. Mudiaga, Oredo King. If we not Batty Uni, who were supporter Batty, I be were there against it.
My brother, Otewe Nukbia, or Ato or Muslim, Nagbama, where Biki Goa, where I fed. We Emma Batty Matama.
Emma Batty we're seeing. Look at the video, look at the record he played. That if you are not listening to this record, you listen to this record he played. They just send me this record and listen to what he said. He said they should wait, all of them meet, everybody should meet and listen to this record.
Because I told them to pitch it and go up, you understand? They were waiting for an because I told them to pitch it and go up, you understand? They were waiting for an to insult the governor. Because I told them to pitch it and go up, you understand? They were waiting for an to insult the governor. They were waiting for an to say silly things about Nigeria, but we cannot continue to condone this element traveling abroad, traveling entering the different countries to misinform Nigerians about our country, to continue to scare investors away from our beautiful state, from our beautiful city.
You hear what he said? He said they should not be, they are insulting the state.
My brother, you over here doing in
Okay. So every and yet time now marketing Edo, but is it not the one the marketing Edo today?
Danionia, no high bania is just between Iranomigo and the governor. I don't even see this thing. Nieta are not concerning in my water this.
No, we're listening in not time.
Okay,
he said there should not be marketing Edo state. When Obazee was our government, he was whitewashing Obazee. This time he said this, Obazee was the government. He said there should not be bringing down Edo so that investors.
My brother, okay, video ni la wo big be la.
Okay. So now he is the one that is.
Entering the different countries to misinform Nigerians about our country, to continue to scare investors away from our beautiful state, from our beautiful city. So I want to say shout out to
my people. You know they listen. He said for our beautiful state country. Is it not insulting Tinubu today? Is it not insulting Okpebolo today?
This video was done in 2017.
Is it not brainwashing people?
Don
If
Prince, allow me to ask
if person enter
Mudiaga a
government just
question.
now, if
Mudiaga,
my brother, I'm gonna mute now small. That's how they carry many people come. See, if a bad person enter governor now say we start to the whitewash Benin again. It will start to the whitewash Benin again. Now they say and say Benin is doing well. Benin is good now. So person that is watching something, more than not they fall for their victim. This boy is a blackmailer. Abat is a blackmailer. You understand though? So if you don't know the meaning of blackmailer, you have to know that Abat is a blackmailer. He is blackmailing this government or in the name of opposition. He is claiming his opposition, blackmailing the government, blackmailing our culture. You say we should not talk about it? We should not wise our people? Do you know the meaning of brainwash? Do you know this media is brainwashing people? Do you know how many people the media have corrupted? Do you know how many people this media have condemned? So my brother, the media is big. If people say like Abad that has a big platform, there are people following Abad. Go to his comment section. There are people insulting our constitutional rights, go see the way people they insult our palace for a platform. It will be looking at them. These are the people that don't have right to do these things before because it creates an avenue to do this. See, bros, if I open this platform today, listen, my brother. Fair listen.
I love what you are saying. We all are joining together to find a space that
see, sir, listen,
somebody
sir.
want to give me.
Sir, listen, my brother. Sir, if I open this platform today to demarcate Benin, to demarcate our great palace, people will support me. I'm telling you, if I change this topic now, I start to put our king picture for here, start to demarcate the culture, my brother, people will still support me. I'm telling you, there are people that will climb up, that will join me to insult the big house. Because I open an avenue for them. I open an avenue to them. Today, Nnamdi Kanu is in life imprisonment in Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu did not go gun. Nnamdi Kanu did not go class. What did Nnamdi Kanu hold? He holds only what? Nnamdi Kanu holds what they call? He holds only platform and the smart microphone which he is using. Thank you, question. You understand me? So Nnamdi Kanu hold only mic and internet, brainwashing the citizens of Nigeria. Igbo land. Do you know how many people that buy in Igbo land because of what? Because of Nnamdi Kanu brainwashed them. Many people have gone to meet their ancestors because of what Nnamdi Kanu did. Today, Nnamdi Kanu is in life imprisonment because he used the mouth to instigate problem in Southeast. You understand me? So this is what Abat is doing today. Abat is brainwashing the people in the diaspora, even in Master Obazee, gathering them together, brainwashing them. Even instigating problem in Benin. That is why if you see Abat, anything small happen for Benin, Abat will report her. But Borno State, many things they happen for Borno State, Abat never report her given one day. That they kidnapped 300 people for Borno State, Abat never report her one day. These northerners, these north states, which I don't forget that these north Plateau, they all kidnapped close to 70 people for Plateau. Abat did not publish it out. But if it's those states, they kidnap only 3 people. Abat, it will say Edo is under siege. Edo is finished. Edo is condemned. Edo is not see where that boy no will talk about Edo state. That boy will go to bring the bad area for Edo, take the publish art. Do you know that as I'm telling you today, all the bus driver in Benin don't pay tax anymore? Go and ask questions. As I'm broadcasting right now, ask questions, say, bus drivers, all those big tickets where they pay for Agberu. Governor, stop them.
My brother, we are all trying to get ourselves together.
My brother, you hear me so? Abat have never reported it one day.
Mr. Prince,
Brother, are you listening to me?
Mr. Prince,
listen, bro. See, very listen, man. They talk, so they listen some more. I'll give you that.
Right. Okay, may I listen more?
Abat have never said it one day that look at what Modo Okpebolo is doing. That because of the nuisance many Agbero have done in Benin, many Agbero have turned the tax collector to another different level. Do you know what the governor did? the governor have to shut all the Agbero down in Benin. The governor shut all the Agbero down in Benin. As I'm telling you guys now, go and confirm. Agbero not dey pay any money again for this for tax. All those Agbero money. Till now, you see on suspension. That is why you see when Tony Kabaka was doing those work. Today, Tony Kabaka is not doing it again. Even all those, there are so many of them like that is doing. But today they are not doing it again because why? The governor have shut it down. Is it not helping the drivers like that? Okay, how many drivers don't come out to say, Abat come out to tell the whole world that look at what
guys, we talk about
listen,
it now.
the time where a Boston, when they put a Boston, make it they do all those where be say crack, where be say motor they crack, they park anywhere for Benin. They go say make a Boston, they take care for those. What Abat did? Abat carry commercial follow that man. He start to the bring any small news, they bring come on. He make sure say destroy that work for that man.
Okay, evidence.
He should say destroy that word for that man. Okay, today the governor came out and shut everything down. Since when governor take shut her down, Abba don't tell you now. Abba don't tell you now.
Many defraud in that place. So my brother, a bus driver, they use
bro,
for that place.
Everything, all this evidence, evidence when you bring 100% you did right. I beg, Moku take on 1-1. I'm not a young boy. I don't the old. You understand? Moku they take on 1 by 1. As we solve one, we enter the other one. But you just bring a lot of them. We all get issue. Even my brother say, why even ask me question? Then you can't go divert to the other side. I want my brother ask me question. How we want to make everybody we did that circle, they okay. Matters a lot to me. So it's a time we all have to be thinking, how will they do it? Everybody we did that space. Call Edo, Benin, Esan. Ask everybody go take day okay. Let us debate about it.
Your submission, you say let's be a human first. My question to you,
if you are a human, then you want to make everybody to be okay.
Hold on. How do you become a human without identity?
Okay, thank you. You are not far from the fact. If I want to be a human, where am I to be a human? There's a government ruling there. Then the government will unite everybody together. Then I'm a human.
How do you become a human without identity? If
what
you
is
say
identity? Identity, my identity
what
is
is your identity? What is your own identity?
Which other identity do I need? Bros, wait now. Which other identity do I need that I come from this space? I was born by a man and a woman. Which other identity you want to make I get again?
Then why? Listen to me. Listen to me. If you are living in the Western world and you acquire their passport, have you ever seen they will write you nationality, Germany, or Regina, Nigerian? Okay. Same thing in Nigeria. In Nigeria, they will ask you. You understand me? So to write that is, I'm talking about who filling your own.
My question, they tell me money gone. I'm barely money gone.
So if you are talking about identity, I don't really think. If you are talking about you, I don't even think you know what it costs. You,
now, I think the way you talk, I think you live in Germany.
You cannot even analyze your own statement.
Wait, thank God you live in Germany.
Hold on. You were talking, I kept quiet.
I'm sorry.
Me to talk.
I said I'm sorry.
Okay, then you now listen to me in case you understand. Maybe other time you are giving a submission that has to do with being a human. You understand? For you to be a human, you have to have an identity, and our identity, we as an is you being Edo. And what really make you a true Edo is that palace. You understand me? So that you are trying to tell us that we should leave palace aside. You understand me? So and talk about human first. You understand? If you lose your identity, automatically you are lose your humanity, the humanity as a human being. As a human being, because if you not get identity, you understand me? So we feel can't you join goat or fowl or chicken? You understand me? So because you don't have identity as a human, and what make us, you understand me? So the real Edo, what really make you an Edoma? You understand me? So it's coming from that palace. Your history, your beginning, your ancestors, and every other thing. So, bro, if you are talking about, let's talk about human first. Know that your humanity, you as a human, your identity is that palace. So don't ever say we should put it aside. There's nothing like putting it aside. If you say put it aside, you they talk about say put your papa name aside. because your identity, your name, your history, when they traced it back, trace your family name and every other thing back, all still connected to the same palace and connected to your history. Your history make you a human. So if whenever you see a platform like this fighting against anyone that want to bring down the name of that palace or bring down, you understand me, so what the ancestors have already created done, don't ever obstruct it. Don't ever say we should think ourselves as a human first. You understand? And the unity you are talking about, if you are uniting anybody, you have to be united under an umbrella. Umbrella of who? Umbrella of the same palace. You cannot unite people without having an umbrella you want to unite them on. You understand me? So
go give money go.
You want unite them under Mudiaga or under waiting, under who?
Mama, question.
Unite them under an umbrella, and which is umbrella of the palace, the same palace you are telling us to put aside, my brother. You know, say if now face to face you they make this statement now, some people for don't wire you slap for that matter, you take us say put that palace at back first. You understand me? So don't ever make that mistake to talk that word again, putting it aside, because you are telling us to put our name aside, put your identity aside, and once you lose your identity, you lose that humanity where you would talk about, because at that time they can count you join goat or chicken or anything anybody feel like.
Money go, mama.
You understand me? So, bro,
okay, thank you, my brother.
If you are spreading any news, go along with
may I still contribute to this Mudiaga? You know, say some people, they don't really know the value of waiting they get or till they lose them. You know, say we the Edo people, you as in we not really there as in I don't do have to talk for that Nigeria. Our value come from that palace. Edo people, our value now from that palace now we take the relevant, and without that palace, that means Edo race, as in it will totally wipe out.
It's gone.
Either you will become a Yoruba or you will become an Igbo. That will trap. If not be say Bakenzwa, then when they want to create Midwest, but then now Bakenzwa now he fight to make sure say we separate ourselves from Yoruba. Some people don't really know all those things. If not say, I will say about Kezwa, say may relax. You don't want to fight with people. By now, many of us for they speak Yoruba. Now Yoruba for your day now. So we not really know what we get. That's where some of us they cover our eye. They follow the blind people because say politicians, person when he like, person when he believe, we want for the getting money, he not the power. Now he wants to say, okay, he must bring everything down for your selfish interest. And some people, they claim not they follow that person. That they support that person.
Mama, click if you want to give me gift, click my page. You click my page.
When not Basek is the power, why Abat not the attack palace?
Jokla, thank you.
Why Abat not the attack palace? When Basek is there, because if they get in money, every month they complete. So what I want to talk, Edo people, please.
Okay,
that palace, now be our pride, now be our identity, and we must do everything to protect that palace. Because without Edo, without palace, there will be no Edo. There will be no Edo people. Make una know that one. Now that one, now be the stopping block. That one, the stopping block for all different tribes. We want try.
Thank you. I beg you not allow it. When I follow question, they talk, bro, they talk.
So you see, I say Biafra, they fight tooth and nail to make sure say they include Edo land join their southeast. But now that palace, that be the stopping block to them. Now that palace, that be the stopping block to Biafra. That is why they don't include Edo land. I mean, you think say if not be that palace for the Igbo people to include Edo to their southeast. Now very easy things to them. Now very easy things to them. So I beg, may we try protect what we get, because many people that they find out they want to be like us, and they find out they want to be like us. You know this time, we don't even really know what we get or we lose them. And by the grace of God and our ancestors, we know if we lose them.
Okay, Samuel,
You know this
Samuel,
now.
thank you for what you talk. So, you want to say that Obana gets the full Edo state. I want you already know whether Obana get the full Edo state. I want you all know. Say we could be a slave to her. I want you all to know.
Who be this one, Seth? I'm not here.
I ask question. Make I for know.
Now, question you ask, my explain giver. We are not a slave to our king. Okay? Anybody telling you that we are a slave to our king is a nuisance. You understand me? So we only submissive to our king. You understand me? Because it's like those days when government never come that time. King, now be like president. The time when government never come, now king be our government. So we believe on our traditional ruler. No place we don't get traditional king. Even for Europe with this, so they get their own traditional ruler. We fair rule them before. They see the respect and still did their own history today. So Edo state where they talk about, Edo Bini, Oba of Bini is the number one king, the president of all the king in Edo state.
It's the umbrella that cover everybody. It's the umbrella that cover all.
Listen, Samuel, may I split to now? Is the president of all the king in Edo state. Hello, are you hearing me? Ogami, are you hearing me? So is the president of all Edo king in Edo state. So if you came from Edo state, so you need to loyal to our king because he's the president of all the king.
Don.
You understand what I'm saying?
I know you are talking to.
I hear you.
Mr. Don, let me tell you something. There's a problem everywhere now that every human being from different corners, we all have stress talking together and all. Why can't we think on uniting ourselves together before we get our king?
Bros, we can see only one platform cannot see listen, bros.
We have
only
to
this
unite
platform.
ourselves together. All humans that live in that space. First of all, let everybody unite themselves together. Like
We are
all human.
bros, we already unite. If you look at the Edo people, they are committing well. We already unite. Only my platform cannot just bring the whole Edo together. There must be a bandit inside there. Are you hearing me? Even if devil come out today, bros, devil come out today, open platform say, now maybe the devil where everybody they insult for a very long time. People will still follow devil. Devil will still have population. After even though say you know say na devil, people will still click and follow devil. They want to hear from devil. They will say, "Who's my friend?"
Can I say
So
something?
when I'm saying all these things, my brother, don't say that we should fair. It don't have to be unite because in our parable, so the Benin are now continue to be wise. Listen, the Benin, they are now wise. They now know the people that is brainwashing them and the people that is telling the truth. So if inside Benin, there's no way you cannot see bandits among us. Even there's a way you will try everything. There must be an individual that is bandit inside us. There's no how you do it. So those bandits, you leave them to be wallowing in stupidity. You understand me? Say, leave them to be wallowing in stupidity. So a time will come, culture was there. Like how bad they see so. Culture will ask one. I said culture will ask one day. Go and mark it.
And then we catch up with them.
Culture will ask one day.
Have
He
you
think
talked
he's
one
demarketing our states now. He's demarketing the palace. People are supporting him. He's happy. I'm demarketing the state. I'm demarketing the great palace of Benin. Talking us. Even the other day, he go bring our king senior wife come and they talk.
Imagine.
Listen, my brother, listen. Do you know that this woman where I bring come and so this is the mother of her birth? This woman married to two men. This woman married to two men. Do you know that the first man that this woman born for, not be he born for another person before he come marry Mama Papa Abat? But I've Abat tell you people anything about this story? I've Abat tell you people about this story that this mother that gave birth to Abat married to a two men. Do you know the first man this woman married to was a native daughter that live in Ogiso? Abat when I find yawa. Or about time with the patient the malady.
But they were not having problem.
You listen, they were having problem. You listen.
So if there was a problem,
bros, it's like we are supporting our back.
Mudiaga, man, they make woman without no problem.
Madoga, abi Mudiaga.
Mudiaga.
Because the man, we do a new way we do a new
Mudiaga now.
Mudiaga, that is
Where
Yoruba
they do
name.
tell me, where
They
they
say
do tell me.
they say
I said, what
monkey
are you
face.
cannot be Yoruba man be
Monkey
distracting
face
us.
student. A monkey face student here work.
Mudiaga is an Yoruba name.
Mudiaga, yeah, a student.
You know, they hear me, my brother, Sasa, let me explain.
Damn,
Mudiaga is an Yoruba name.
Of you Bobo or Tema working on
Whether you Bobo or Jesus Christ, bros, you are my brother, but I'm telling you,
now,
Mudiaga is an Yoruba name.
what we are begging for, how to unite human together
Okay,
in that
bros,
space,
tell us, are you related to Delta Land?
Of you, if I might, a massive, of you doing call off work.
Samuti amoye boy ni eh.
So, I said the Ario Vance, so we are you.
Samuti amoye ni eh. Yana che
Bros,
Mudia.
you are indirectly supporting Abba. I'm telling you.
Mudiaga, I can't know see where who were supporting about Yarovia Gua. I be there against it.
Okay, thank you very much. Then when we a angle running, man, I give ni boom. For me, to God who made me, I will swear with my ancestors. In my day where about 80 born a guy there. It's just like, I believe that. But
Mudiaga, may you wait. No, ask comment. No, ask people the watchers. You wait. Mudiaga, wait.
All right, thank you.
Samuel, thank God, you wait first. I believe people are watching us. You understand me? So people are watching us. You understand? So now, what we're going to do now? Those people where they watch us, I beg. I want mona correct Mudiaga. If Abba they insult our king, I beg mona say yes.
If they insult the papa, not our king. If they insult our papa, if they insult the papa.
Mudane, he nothing we do king many. Muna wait. So I beg, mona write her for comment section. If Abba they insult our Edo king, mona say yes. If you know say Abba not they insult our Edo king, write no for comment section. I want me Mudiaga they listen to people when they watch us. Because now human being with the turtle. Not be robot they watch us, now human being. So Mudiaga, please read comment section. If you know that Abba is insulting our constitutional rights, please say yes in comment section. If you know that Abba is not insulting the kingdom of Edo, please say no for comment section. When they read comment section, when they read the more know whether it's true. Because they see yes, they see yes, they see no. So if the yes na many pass, Mudiaga, I believe Mudiaga, we from comment section can understand itself. Please, we are still contesting. Please, if you know that Abba is insulting our palace, now you put her like that.
Yes, it boom. Yes, it boom, my brother. Yes, it boom.
The right. If you know, say na no. Mona right no. So Katma say no. Lord Gento say no. Many people are saying yes, yes. So Madalenka, I don't know even your name, say no. So look at people saying yes. That means if you look at it, Mudiaga, please, can you unmute yourself? Mudiaga, okay, please. The question I want to ask you now, can you call result of what we just said now?
Okay, thank you very much. You see, sometimes when they talk something, there's a way people think something.
No, there's a way I'm telling you. Please, if they call you now as a to come and say,
I'm not doing election.
These people protested. We just did a protest.
I'm not here for election. I'm here for a free.
No, because the question you asked, that is why I asked the people watching us.
I do not ask any question. I only tell you that I didn't say about that it's insulting the palace.
No, since you don't see it, now people are not correcting you that Abba is the son.
Bros, wait, now
yes, they say yes. It's more than the people say no.
Yes, they no, they. Let me explain myself again.
Don't push wait a bit. Don't push wait a bit. Wait. If person call your platform like this, you give and see. Mudiaga, you say you know the saying that okay. Which way you take the saying? If
God
you
bless
not
you.
Picking, if you not picking, wait now,
Almighty God bless you. Almighty God bless you.
Mudane my brother, because Agbona, Edo ya kuta we anywhere our way or that way anywhere on my way my brother because ubeso na wana need to wana need to go iwe do my brother
Hey,
because
go far.
zeke yi
Thank you, Sasa.
yi guy who my brother anywhere
Ovi power down the
Thank you, Sasa.
we do more by Poseva. Or you know, even no me, daddy, are you mad? It's not an insult. He's asking me a question. I will tell him myself, I'm not mad. What you think about?
Yeah,
You
Sasa.
understand?
I'm mad you be.
And he can attack my head. You understand? He tell me over my head. Oga battle in matade banwe. Ima mi a battle de ranu. Odo finye. Obvious issue ladian we omaka kene managmo ali viveria. On the issue of violadian. It's not an insult. That thing, I have never saw him make an insult where
You have lose your identity.
Bro, will you give me time to explain?
Don't get it type of
You should come outside.
People will ask you, are you mad?
Let me go down.
Let me go down.
Where your pikin go for the ask you say are you mad?
Then mute
For
everybody.
this thing, where your pikin go ask you say are you mad? You go say not be insult, not be
No
from,
be
not be
insult.
for
How about
the
It's not an insult.
Hold on, hold on,
It's a question.
hold
I will
on.
tell him my child, I'm not mad.
That is
But
a
what you are doing
disrespect
to
to
me
you.
wrong.
That means hold on, now. Hold on. Your pikin go dey ask you.
My son, my
Ogami,
child,
Ogami,
my brother,
Ogami,
even you have right to
Ogami.
ask if I'm mad. I will tell you I'm mad.
You ask one question just now. You say to be a slave from the
I don't be slave. I don't be slave to anybody. Sarah don't
quiet. You'd already be.
Please, you take care now, Gandhi says. Can you tell Gandhi?
You already behave as a slave. Nobody call you slave. You call yourself slave. Where you come from, we all know say no time. Anybody have been treated as a slave. So you ask that question, that means you have recognized yourself to be a slave. And though where me come from, they know that say palace have never taken my rights away from me as a full-blooded Edo man or treat me as a slave. So answer that question, that means you have seen yourself as a slave. So when you guys are declaring yourself what you are, it has no business to do with the palace. And it has no business to do with anybody. You see yourself that way, that is why you are. Me, I have never been treated as a slave, so I will never ask that question. I have never seen myself as a slave. I will never ask that question. First of all, when it comes to the political aspect, most of you are ignorant of when it comes to political. What it gets to do with palace?
Somebody said this Mudiaga is not saying the truth.
What you get to do with palace? When you come to say you want to analyze what you the lack of for Benin, you say na palace. Now you want to make sure a name enter. We all know the system where they rule on Nigeria. What you get to do with the palace? See, most of you guys need to wake up from your ignorance. Una will be monkey face student because I saw it in the comment section that this Mudiaga and Ogami say they say 12 na monkey face student. That means you guys are ignorant of what you are saying. You don't even know what you're saying. You understand me? So you guys should learn. A palace has nothing to do with the propaganda when Abat they spread. Abat is spreading his own propaganda out of his own selfish interest.
Power tap your screen, please.
Out of his own selfish interest, because he has lose a political position of the money he has embezzled
people when they talk good about it, God will bless you now.
for good 8 years. Their government rule for good 8 years. All the failure where they fail. Government of 1 year plus, just 1 year. Waiting they don't do pass, waiting they don't do for 8 years. Now, because of say he want to condemn that government, then he feel he should start the battle from the palace. It's so stupid that some of us we claim to be an Edo. We are very ignorant of what we are saying. We don't even know what we are saying. You understand? What does it has to do with the palace? When it comes for political, the government have to. Government, what did they give account of for good 8 years?
Now they send us gift. Thank
When
you.
did you fit give account of for good 8 years?
My
What are you
brother, thank
defending?
you. When
What are you trying to defend? Hold
I
on,
say
not
something,
thank me.
bros,
You have to
wait.
go
You
and
yourself don't
study before you
understand.
come to platform to
You
defend
wait.
Abat.
When I
Abat
said
is a
when
greedy
I
man
said
on
that
his
we should
own.
leave the palace
He's
alone,
fighting
let
for his own.
everybody
He's fighting for his own
unite
greediness.
together. You see where you guys are confusing yourself. I said
Unite.
something
You're talking
that
about unite.
we should
And
leave a
you're talking
palace
about
and we
unite.
unite
Unite of
ourselves.
what? Are you
But
telling
now
us
you
to
are not saying
unite?
palace
Are you
has
telling us
nothing
to
to do
unite
about
with
it.
somebody that is so
My
stupid
brother,
and greedy,
you see we are on the catch
fighting
now.
his own
This
kind?
media
I
that
say make we
mute you,
unite
please. Make someone
ourselves.
talk.
More leave the palace alone.
But may you
But
remove
now
this
you
guy,
they come now, say more leave the palace
When man,
alone. More no they complain.
Don't be
You
I
guys
beg, drop
are the
this
one
guy. Drop
misbehaving.
this guy. I beg, drop him.
Drop her.
Wait,
Drop
my
her.
people,
May not drop him. May
You
not
guys
drop
are
him.
misbehaving.
May not drop
Listen.
him. He need to learn, and he have to learn it the hard way.
my people.
May not drop him.
No.
Make all of them.
See,
He need to
some
learn.
people
Learn it the hard way.
see some people not feel learn because nowhere their head are already be full with dust.
Abba don't brainwash many
There's no need.
people.
How can they
Abba
blow
don't brainwash
local
many
like this?
people.
They
Abba don't
talk
brainwash.
like
Abba
that.
don't deceive people tire.
Pardon,
Abba don't deceive
Mudiaga.
people tire. That is why I came back to
Mudiaga.
rescue those people.
pardon, please,
Mudiaga.
abeg, why be wayala visit?
More than let this sister sit talk. You don't sit with the yes. It's not
Like for the past few minutes, Iyore and Nancy, can we just change topic? Okwe palace. Let's talk about something different.
Anyway, don't tell
Yes, because I want to ask when a palace.
my sister. Okay, my sister. We katuri ne we worry. We are conversation. We quick comment agbon ma. Let go. One. Ki comment agbon.
Gima ya united Gima Gima say palace is kind
My
of
sister, my
Gima.
brother.
Gima.
We can
That's a
So, Mudiaga, we say I drop you because it's like you are instigating what we are trying to make people understand what is going on. You understand? We already unite. Those ones that don't want us to unite, they should go and by themselves. Benin is already unite. There are some lunatic inside the Edo people who is trying to brainwash some of the citizens to be like them. Abat is Orionba. Obaseki is Orionba. There are so many Orionba nowadays. The Orionba, okay, look at what Abat just did. When I see now, do you know that Abat, because he know that Iyore is Orionba, look at what Iyore said. When I all of them too. Iyore that he said is using traditional DC to chop. Or we just see man, he's using it to eat. When I see what Iyore tell the Edo people. Iyore is trying to finish our culture. Abat went to go and mimic it because Abat know what Iyore said is bad. My platform now, Edo people. More of them mute. More of them mute. My quick platform now. When I see what Iyore talk. When I see what Iyore talk, oh, more of them, my your platform now. To show say Abat know what he's doing. You understand me? So Abat know what he's doing. He's trying to deceive you people. Una forfeiting. All of them are forfeiting at the end. Una call the be Orionba. It's painful. So many people they turn every day. They turn themselves. Okay, let me play it.
The palace of the Oba of Benin is a den of abomination.
Wait.
The palace of the Oba of Benin I'm reporting
Now wait. Now you see then, these are the people Abat is brainwashing.
about
Okay, Mona listen. Now wait. Okay.
Iyore get message for all native doctors. We could hear.
Now the CEO, not be say, he know what the Abat know what he's doing. No, he knows say Iyore don't fuck up. He's trying to promote the fuck up. Iyore have been doing videos since Abat not promoter. Iyore they do videos since Abat not promoter. But since when Iyore can't do this new one, Iyore say more not listen to Iyore now. Now when they follow Iyore now, they say Iyore are top play.
Iyore get
Now say Iyore are top play. And they look all of
Iyore get message for all native doctors. We could hear.
Wow. Osa said, don't money, I greet you. Now the year, When they hear Edo people, or when I do give Edo. But this woman will not wear, he will not wear constitution, our own, when I see what Iyore they wear. Iyore will they wear our constitutional, everything we be say with the user. This is Iyore Oyenikao. This is Iyore. Una dey see so all the media yamwegbe. Our traditional right, Iyore yamwegbe. But today, Iyore is telling una when why you got go and why you got anything. Now they hear me so, no why you got go and why you got anything. This is what Iyore is doing. When are they listening? About to be promoted there. About to be promoted there. When are they listening?
Iyore get message from all native doctors. We could hear.
Okay? Nobody should do it.
Wawa. Wawa. They will not do give Edo. A culture ema dugi. A church ema dugi. From Oba even ya dugi. Akido a dugi. But to one do mudia we ije sigi. Ije sigi. Who be ije sigi? Is it not from the palace? Edo people, if they pay me the way that they use social media, they spoil on her brain. This woman claim is from Edo. And she said she's serving a Ije sigi. But he's telling her when why do give Edo. Wana bego e bonu na do levo avio. E mateve bonu. E Sokoto na do le mavio. E mateve Sokoto. Now you will now wear our constitutional rights. Udo atami vie doni edugi. Are these people not disturb? Are these people not demarketing our state? Eten na demarketed kochohima. Now Iyore na ihu abi ni boom. Iyore ode life. Abi ni magi ni so ni magi ni all of them that pack on his Iyore platform. Yeah, we say Iyore atok be. Even at Amoba. Iyore atok be. Marita. Akamwebo be anawo fiwerie or mafiwerie. Today Iyore is not telling people to not do giege in Benin. My people. On that man will D. We won't listen to them. Iyore, nu weke tamivie do. Ni ya budiye sota wata ya kbuwe. Okay, we ata mewe, since ni ya kere sota wata kbuwe, their whole problem don't finish. Iyore said, may our women, they use salt and water, they wash bekus. May therefore they get blessing. You are not telling me that since when they tell them that they use salt and water, they wash toto, or they wash their body, may they bath, may they pray. Is the problem solved? Are their problems solved? Now you are not telling people when I can do gay, Edo mama, no weke when you salt and water yakbuwe, Edo ma, ma. Erun weke lerun we wutu wende runedo erun we ose ruwe mana win ave do. Okay, what is your right? What are you coming to social media to perform that you are serving Ije? You are using the thing to chop money. We are every watching man. You don't chop money tire through Ije. Through Ije. Do you know why I'm happy? My people don't know why they're happy. Nikao get the way to they deceive God these people. Do you know that Iyore did not born today? Na Nika Okosan. Iyore not get husband today. Iyore is 50-something years. He not get husband. He not get a bakian. And one more 50-something years. Nika Osie Koto. Nika Osie Koto. Go and see Abba today. Abba is AS. His wife is AS. Who did they born? They born Kwachoko. They born Kwachoko. They know they feel pity for those children where they bring come life. Abba first son, go and check them. And Nika will get the way to destroy these people. Go and see Brocos. Any can blend our back. Brocos, any can blend our. Go and check Brocos. Brocos not the see where. I been a monkey face you want to. A monkey face is being bigger. Any can be on bigger. Any can be a monkey face will bigger. So people that is doing these things, there's a way Nikao is fighting for us, or not they know. People that is trying to bring a Nikao down, a Nikao is fighting for us in one way or the other. Imagine a Nikao deal with Iyore, that he don't make Iyore to burn, that he don't make Iyore to get Igbahian. Why am I not Igbahian? Igbahian me boyfriend. Iyore not get boyfriend. Iyore na lesbian. Iyore na bisexual. Iyore na bisexual. Mama me you know tie. Iyore, you are a bisexual. Not even know the meaning of bisexual. Oh, Iyore, you are a bisexual. Look at her. She's a bisexual. Mona see her way. Mona female where. She is a bisexual. Oh, no, look at what now when I low, if you are not a chief, this round one, anybody will not be chief, may not the user, but Iyore continue to use it. Iyore continue to use it. Have you donné remark banner a platform why will you talk be? You people you are a foolish people who are so wow. This is what Oba said. The women should not be using it. This thing where they see so. This ranting. Men and women will not be from tattoos. You don't have right to use it. But today, Iyore is using it. Today, enika omako no be. Enika akwama enika ugwore kwa. You don't have a boyfriend. You are doing bisexual. A bisexual we una. Multi, who went to bisexual? You are doing bisexual. See, I did not condemn bisexual. You might condemn it because why? Many people they are doing it. So I cannot, but I'm telling you, Iyore should not come and be pretending that she is not a bisexual. Iyore, you are a bisexual. Forget that thing. The craze. Look at what you are saying. You are using a dog culture to enjoy yourself. You are using cow. You brought her out to people to raise money for you. Say you want to build us for Benin for You know how much people donated for you? Today, where is the house you build? Igboma collect your money. Igboma collect your money. Now you are in social media demarketing the culture. You know how many people you already brainwash? Do you know how many of our women you already brainwash? Today, some people are looking Iyore like God. Someone that cannot use what he know to take off himself. We no gwalomo for years. I make no my jonu ya gwalomo. Enwe we bege ni. What's so many epic buwe? Nuwe ya mine no monu di odono malawa. Igbo man use it for 15 years. And true you pass me to come out. Or you get gogine. Na fiwele mu do for. Why you have to gather the Benin people again? Why are you do? O from uzedo, we do ya kunya ya. Wow, go your platform. Yage man, iya lego. When you open the camera, Iyore, make they open camera. More they see you. I will be where they follow you. What about who? When me do boto, when it demarketed do. When it demarketed do. Also, enika there's a way enika take structure owner. What say about today? Monisa no working. AS. You are AS. Abat is AS, his wife is AS. He should go and prove it if I'm lying. He should go and prove it if I'm lying. Abat, if you know I'm lying, you go and prove it. Say, don't preach with the lie. I'm not be AS. Go and prove it, say, I'm not be AS. Look at the children you are giving to the world. You people, you are the one that will stand and be destroying Benin. He's sorting our palace. Look at what Iyore is saying. That nobody should.
Iyore get message for all native daughters. We could hear.
man. Iyore better pass you. You don't see online when you went up for straight for Europe. You will not get come on 100 by 100 for Africa, man.
Pardon?
Madman. Don't, man.
Where?
You will not get 100 by 100 for Africa. If they
Where
talk, if they
what?
search Iyore, they
You
search
will be
Abba.
Momo,
Abba
they
better
talk
pass
about
100
100
by
by 100.
100
When you
percent.
say breed, you away book.
Oswald. You not
Ah,
get 50 by
Mira.
50.
Ah,
Pardon?
Mira.
Omozwo.
Gunwe, no, when
Wazana.
all.
Frustration.
Abe we.
Larry,
Boss a
where?
drop boy.
You
Larry,
wait,
You don't do
you
shit,
wait,
so
they
shit
sleep
to
on
say
that
man when
bridge.
they tell Lick Toto. Oswald.
Wazua.
I beg you, man, about the brainwash. I beg you,
Mumu.
man, about the brainwash.
Now then, all of them,
Associated to brainwash
now
people.
50,000 naira, now that guy they work for. So
Abba
Abba give them
associated to
small
brainwash
money.
people.
50,000 naira. I said to when I una read platform do atie bono and now what be
Abba associated to brainwash people. I beg you, man, no
yes,
brainwash.
50,000 naira. All we
I beg you, man, no about the brainwash. Una dey see and say Abba can brainwash people. Only no go but when not like the camera, you can never come out to camera and express yourself. We have go spiritual go on. We have go sugusugu go on. Sugusugu. Look at Iyore, you are Iyore gave not while listening.
Amen no you do humba ale dion ano ya te yore atok be anything
When I listen.
ale dion ano zuwa ewe
Na yera. At the time we take all this ege ma ya gu e, do ya gu e. Wow. 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 Iyore, ene no obo we hin. We ahin. We to we do giye sigi. O no giye sigi obo no na. We gbina. Na why social media ya insulted do we why? We gbina Iyore. We ya gbina. Iyore, you no go Benin, you still go fight. Have a beg Iyore tore Iyore do gbina na do. You will be social media what you do. You will be social media when I do give a do. Na do adu, never do ati Iyore atok be platform we. Ni vie do ate Iyore atok be the platform where now when I do give a do, if you do no keke no listing now, they will be pretending a beg. If you do when ya muje do boto, ogun baga gbeluwa. If you do no gi muje do boto, eke wariri aje enika oga siwasa.
ya wi en wa
Enika oga siwasa.
ya wi en wa
Wale wo ho ya mwe do boto, eke wariri aje enika oga siwasa. Mene nika omagi Iyore bie waga womo enika wa gbeluwa mo
ogbe
wani supported abat mene nika oya gabat ya AS sinya bele pachoko e pachoko gala wawa e pachoko gala wawa mene nika oya bene e broadcast ona bona gba wopa ona mi we broadcast awopa broadcast yime enika oga gbo awopa enika oga gbo awopa mene emoki face enika ona bi ohun bigo ere go ila video ohun eri bigo enika obi ohun bigo enika oga bi won ohun bigo enika oga bi won ohun bigo when the supporter evil people in nation now anybody support it there enika oga bi won ohun bigo ya the latest update in oro iya mo bogbere yan mene enika ori oni ya mo bogbere enika oga mo bogbere wa the latest update omo bogbere eti oya iya mo bogbere yan mene nika oyari a latest update ya tebonere eti oya enika wari wa yan merio these people that is disturbing Edo, they don't have peace. They don't have peace. Look at them. The first people I just mentioned now. Look at them. Enika Okon them here. Enika Okon. See, Enika is very strong. Edo Enika, when I'm not using a play. Edo Enika is very strong. Una when they play with Edo Enika. Which one a nika never disturb? Are you the look now? You're the zoo. Why so I adopt? Why we to? I mostly equal ni bundi support Iyore. Enika wasi wasa. Enika wasi wasa. Some of them they wash me now. Una they for back they return the cost. Wana kiye ke return the cost now. Oh, go back beluwa. Wana kiye ke return the cost in the mugbu wana. Enika wasi wasa. Edien doga no wa. Edien doga no wa. Uwaga lubiri. Lubiri ewie. Uwaga lubiri avant. Uwaga lubiri evota. Uwaga lubiri evada. What's the door? What's the door? What's the door? Iwe tu waga lubiri ewie. Eni kawasi wasa. Osani ni kawasi wa waki pefu wake awu. Uwa gbel. Uwa wie wa. Look at what this useless woman is saying. Not the era. Not the era.
That's all my brother.
Koyo Kevin.
Yeah, it's why Iyore all in we were.
Oh yeah, what?
Agben we regbe. Ame bo panu wa mutu reba no wa gwani ebo eni eyan ya le mi we wa aworin oba orin do. Ya le mi we wa.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, wow.
Abi mo gbiyan. Eni ado na yan ado ekwa kan. E victory ma mi ene. Ya lubiri.
Yeah, lubiri. Yeah, lubiri. Mota. Una igale supportive vote do. Wa lubiri. Eni kawasi wasa. Nika wasa. Spiritually. Don't be play. When are they listen to this useless woman? Why are listening? Wawa. Il vient de Wawa. Wawa. Abata Gieyo. Wawa. Wawa. Il vient de Wawa. Il vient de Wawa. Il vient de. Wow, Abati Gieyo. I beg you. Abati Gieyo.
Oh, na wow.
Then when I watch the video. You made the video and I watch it.
The thing is this, a problem or a problem even make about blame, even lily Iyore na Iyore. Paya gwalo mo even Iyore ni gwalo mo boy ma bie. Why mu problem wa mu Iyore we Iyore wa mu Iyore e do no do ba o so se Iyore we ade we wa ho wa man awo nwa
If do wabega.
Anybody in the platform anybody
Wabega
where
yedo.
platform in those people our fishing aladun.
Wawa. Owe titu ugi sofuru ye doa, but we savage ne sige we no furu like buwe. Ige ne ye sige, we na mige ne ye sige. Palos ye ni ye, my people be ye ni ye sige. Ubi ye ni ye sige, is it not from palace? The man understand if ye doso. Iye doso wa do ho wa webo. Iye do the wa do ho wa webo. Iye what the social media wa do check the erere. Most of them don't know what they are doing. They don't even know who they are supporting.
My brother, went for agbe. Me no worry ni bun.
Iye doso wa do mwen for webo. How can you be in Europe? Why supporting Iyore? Why supporting Iyore? Iyore claim he's serving a God who came from the kingdom. Someone who claim he's serving the gods who came from the kingdom of Edo State. Today, you are telling the kingdom to not serve their gods.
Look at what she's saying. I'm your mother. You
are telling the kingdom to not serve their gods. And you are using one of the gods to enrich yourself in social media. Brainwashing Edo people. Avec women so no marry niaou ne webo muriane, they will be supporting you. Most of our women ni gakpapalalao. Avec when ni gakpapalalao, you will not carry them together. Here do ati Iyore talk be a platform where you are using the slams from our palace. The slants we are using to greet our palace or monoba talk be. You are not using it in your platform. And those people who claim they speak Benin, they will be using it for you. And you'll be seeing. And Iyore will be destroying the Benin kingdom, telling the Edo people to not do culture again. To not celebrate their culture. This is the season of celebrating culture. This is the season where the Benin people celebrate our culture. Igwe Festival. There are so many cultures we celebrate this season. Igwe Festival is the biggest culture. Igwe Festival is Benin Christmas. In case you don't know.
My bro, I will be back again, okay?
God bless you. See, Igwe Festival is Benin Christmas. Those days where Christmas never they come Benin, man, they enlighten you now. Well, give me a chance to enlighten you, some of you people. Igwe Festival you people see today is the Edo Christmas. Those days when our king they rule us, when government never they exist. When government never they exist, when our king they rule us. Those days we don't know what they call Christmas. Na Igwe, na be our Christmas. Hello, they are not hearing me. Hello, they are not hearing me. Igwe Festival today, you people see Igwe. You don't even know the meaning of Igwe. So I'm explaining to you guys that Igwe Festival you people see today, that take place in Benin every December period, is what? Benin Christmas. Somebody writing in the comment section, Benin Christmas. Please, if you know you are from Edo State, you hear what I'm saying. Can you write in the comment section so that people will not know what they know? Write in the comment section, say Benin Christmas. Igwe Festival is Benin Christmas. They are not hearing me. They are not hearing me. They are not hearing me. I said the Igwe festival we are celebrating today is, if I'm lying, somebody should come up and come and correct me. We are here to learn. If I'm lying now, you can climb up and correct me. They know the right time of Benin Christmas. Please, I'm watching. Now they say for comment section. Please, if you know you are watching, write down for comment section now Benin Christmas. Yeah, Emmanuel Magboy. Thank you, ice cream. Igwe is Benin Christmas. Prophet Atiti, Igwe is Benin Christmas. Thank you, Prophet Atiti. Thank you. Igwe is Benin Christmas. King of King, thank you. Igwe, today you people see as Igwe festival today in Benin. Those days is Benin Christmas. It's Benin Christmas. Somebody say that is a lie. May I bring you up? I like people that challenge. You say it's a lie. I'll bring you up. If you not come up,
the fact is that Igwe is our celebration time. We don't, when it comes to our culture, we don't recognize Christmas. Just that we do Christmas, but in our culture, we recognize our celebration.
Christmas is a celebration.
It's our celebration time.
No, the end of the year. End of the year.
Now be our festival. Christmas is not recognized by our culture, but
see, let me tell you something. See, Igwe festival today. See, this somebody that is right here. Say, stop reversing history. Attorney, you say I should be reversing. You climb up and come and tell the history. How bad don't condemn you now? See, Igwe festival today is our Benin Christmas. Don't let anybody to deceive you. If the chiefs are here today, they will still tell this thing I'm telling you. It's end of, because Christmas is the end of December. End of Jesus Christ's celebration, as in the birth of Jesus Christ. So we now take it as a celebration. End of year. After Christmas, we now celebrate the first of New Year, New Year Day, or the first New Year Day. So our own celebrating the New Year, as in the end of the year, is Igwe festival. Is Igwe festival. Is Igwe festival. Lucky, you show me I bring you call, now God will punish your father. You will come insult me also. If they say request again, I bring you. Lucky, now God will punish your father. A day dog will buy your father. Lucky, say me. Lucky, may I will see your full name. Lucky Torenowa. And I hear do. Lucky Torenowa. A day dog will buy your father. You people are trying to mislead the Edo people. You don't know that Igwe festival today is a Benin Christmas. Many people don't know. Christmas is the birth of Jesus Christ. We all know it's the birth of Jesus Christ. But I'm using this to tell you people that Igwe festival is like end of year after the whole 12 months. At the way, end of year as a Christmas celebration. Christmas celebration. So people don't even know that Christmas is the birth of Jesus Christ. So people just believe that Christmas is on the 25th, is compulsory for people to do Christmas. So many people don't know that it's birth of Jesus Christ. So many individuals don't know that the 25th or the 25th of December is the birth of Jesus Christ. Many people don't know. Many individuals don't know. They think Christmas is just